Hi peoples, welcome back to my channel, Bernie Playing with Makeup. My name is Bernadette. All my friends and subscribers call me Bernie. So if you are new, you can go ahead and hit the subscribe button and you can call me Bernie. To all of my returning subscribers, welcome back. I am so grateful to you and your support, so thank you. See, I have quite a bit of new subscribers. Welcome to my channel and my little family. I really do appreciate your support. I do try to comment or at least like everyone who comments on my videos, because I really do appreciate that. And I do appreciate when you thumbs up my videos. That really does help me. And again, if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell. That way you will be notified once I upload new videos. So we are in summer. It is hella hot outside. Today, we are going to create or try to create a signature summer foundation look. We're gonna be going for a nice glowy, dewy look. You know, if you have that boat party, beach party that you're going to, or if you're just going about town and you want to look cute, you want to be glowing, your nice cute summer thing, that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to be using some products that I haven't used before. They're not necessarily new releases or anything, just been sitting in my collection. I haven't tried them, or I played with them but not really played with them that much, so I'm going to be incorporating them in today's video. I have already done my skin prep as usual. I always do my skincare routine at least 45 minutes before I'm ready to put makeup on. I do have a skincare routine video on my channel. If you have not seen it yet, I will link it in the cards or down below in the description box. So after this video, you can go ahead and take a look at that. The only thing I need to apply again is some sunscreen. And for the rest of the summer months, all of my videos, as a reminder to all of my melanated brothers and sisters, I will be putting sunscreen on camera, just to remind you guys that even though we have melanin, and the melanin in our skin does help to protect us from sun, we still need to use sunscreen. I'm going to be using a sunscreen from LANCOME. It's their VISIONNAIRE Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 30. So I hope wherever you are staying safe from the Rona. Here in the Bahamas, we had reopened our borders to international travel at the beginning of the month, July 1st. We opened our borders to international travel, and as a result, the coronavirus resurfaced, and as of yesterday, July 19th, our borders were closed again to international travel. And here on Grand Bahama, we have the most cases of coronavirus right now. So Grand Bahama is back under lockdowns again. I've been a prime using this primer here from Tarte Double Duty Beauty Primer Tape Base. This has coconut scent. It's a primer skincare hybrid. For this video, I'm going to be paying a lot of attention to my skin because I'm not going to be going in with a lot of foundation. I want it to be one step up or a couple steps above my no makeup look. I also have a video on that. So if you haven't seen that video yet, I'm also going to link that video in the cards so you can make sure you take a look at that video also. This has a really like watery consistency. Like I said, it is like, it's more like skincare. I always like to press my primer in. Once I work it in, I have to press it in. I'm gonna play with this primer today. It's from Dr. Bryant. says that it's a luminizer primer base. I've never tried it before, but because of the look I'm going for, I want like a glow from within. Never played with it before. I'm gonna go with just a little bit. That's what it looks like. Looks like something you can wear without makeup on. If you're having a good skin day and feel like not putting anything on. I'm gonna put one more thing on before I put foundation on, and it is the NARS Illuminator. This is like a liquid blush. I'm gonna put some of this on the high points of my face. So we can now finally get into the foundation. I'm gonna use, this is the Natural Radiant from NARS, and the shade I'm using is Macao. This is a full coverage foundation. I want the coverage to be sheer to medium, so I'm gonna use my beauty blender to blend the foundation out. Because it's a sponge, it's gonna soak up some of the product, so hopefully I'll get the coverage to look the way I want it to look. Okay, match seems to be okay. Sticking with NARS, I'm going to do a little bit of color correcting around my mouth. I can still see some of the discoloration. So I'm going to color correct using the Creamy Radiant Concealer in the shade Truffle. I am liking it. I don't feel like I have on too much foundation. I have on just under one full pump, and like I said, I blended it out with the beauty blender because I wanted the beauty blender to absorb some of the product, but I really just want to get coverage above no foundation, but coverage to like even my skin out and hide whatever little discoloration and little issues I may be having on this particular day. I'm gonna use this foundation stick from ABH, and it's the shade Ebony. Use it to contour around my forehead a little bit. I'm also gonna do my cheeks now. I'm going to blend that out using this brush here, the Wayne Goss number 10, I believe. to highlight under my eyes, I'm going to use the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. I'm going to use the shade Almond. Going for that healthy, glowy, your skin but better summer look. I'm not going to use too much concealer, so I don't want under my eyes to be too bright. I want it to be bright, but just not in your face too bright. So look how far I am, and I did not record. I think every product I've used is all, I know I have that film. So if I'm missing anything, it's going to be some blending. So yeah, this is where we are. So we're getting ready to set. To set under my eyes, I'm going to use the MERCIER Secret Under Eye Brightening Powder in the shade number 2. As usual, I'm going to blend out the creases that I already have. You always want to have your powder ready. So once you blend out your creases, you don't want to be looking down. So you probably will get creasing again if you have to look down. With this, unless you have a really oily skin, definitely wouldn't recommend baking with too much powder. Just want enough to set the concealer. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to use my MERCIER and translucent powder in the shade Medium Deep. I did bronze a little bit, but the bronze I used is from a brand that I will not be promoting on this channel. I had already purchased this bronzer from them, and I used it already. That's why I didn't give it away, but I won't be promoting them on my channel, so I bronzed off camera. I was trying to put on some eyelashes. My eye, the glue just wouldn't stick. So because this look when I do it, if I put on like not dramatic eyelashes, it makes it look more, you know, elevated. But this glue is dried up and it's not working. Let's finish it off. For this, I normally just go for like a hint of blush. I wanted to try this blush that I have not played with yet from MERCIER in the shade Permagel. It's actually darker, it's darker. Okay, so from that angle, that's what it looks like in person. Really what I'm going for is just a smidgen of a blush. Okay, so you really don't want it to look like you tried. You want it to look like it was effortless. On top of that blush, I'm going to use this blush from HOURGLASS. This is the Ambient Lighting Blush, and this is in the shade Mood Exposure. Now these blushes this is the shade here, these blushes tend to not show up on my skin tone. So what I'm looking for is a little bit of a hint of color and then more so of a glow, because that's all I get from HOURGLASS blushes. So I set my face off camera. I have a couple of these, I've never really played with them, so I'm playing with them today. I have Radiant Light and also Dim Light. Maybe I should try Radiant Light. Radiant Light looks a little bit darker, less ashier, so I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna go with this lip gloss here from Pat McGrath. I'm gonna line my lips with brown cinnamon from Pat McGrath. I think the shade is called Flesh, I think. This is us. Oh, my braids. Yes, I am rocking these braids. I'm going to insert the Instagram info for the young lady that did my braids right now. Back to school is coming. So if you want to have your kids' hair braided, hit her up on Instagram and book your appointments, and she will be more than happy to hook you or your children up. I like how she did them. Like really tender scalp. They're not too tight or anything. And she didn't take long at all to do it. Like, I thought it was gonna take forever. It didn't take long at all. We coping. This is my first time ever in life having my hair braided, ever. Thank you guys always for spending part of your day with me. As always, I do appreciate it. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button and join our growing family. Do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up before you go, and also drop a comment. Tell me, are you able to go on the beach, the parks, or are you like us stuck inside? Anywho, thank you guys so much, and until my next video, please be safe. Bye.